Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to another Saturday night stream with TreeRoot.City. My name is City West. Let's make sure we're live over on YouTube and X, and don't really have much going on tonight. I just finished uploading a video, SEEKER unboxing. We'll probably chill out, take a look at some charts, maybe do some vibe coding, talk about the phone. Phone's pretty cool. My name is City West. All right, there we are, live on YouTube. Beautiful. Make sure we're good over on X as well. If you could give me a follow at City West. This fan down. It's getting a little chilly here. Got the crypto bruh. Yeah, let's see what we got going on. Where are we at? Perfect. Yeah, it looks good over on X2. We're also live on Pump Fun, so as usual, let's get the link out before we get started. Oops, forgot to grab the YouTube one. Kind of a slow night. Not many people, if anybody, online right now. It says we got 7 people watching on Pump. If you're real out there, let me know. Pretty sure they're all bots. Got 1 watching on YouTube, which is probably me. And yeah. We can go check out my wife's TikTok at Janet Rakuten. She's killing it in the streaming game. X.com, YouTube. Where's the Pump Fun? Cool. No, not the deck screener. The TreeRoot. Perfect. Saturday night stream is live. Come chill while we vibe code. Check out X Spaces. Review crypto charts and chill. Uh-oh. Your camera go. Some animals outside. Be right back. Cool, sorry about that. Just want to close the window, get him out of here. Cool, so yeah, let's get the tweet out. I'll get this over in Telegram, and then we'll get started. Kind of a chill day. Took a nice long nap. Woke up to my wife giving me the Solana SEEKER phone. So spent the afternoon getting it set up. We did a unboxing video, got that updated. YouTube, X, and Pump Fun. Awesome. Cool. They originate simply as errors in binary classification. True that. All right, so what are we doing? Just hanging out. Let's go ahead and take a look. How are the crypto markets doing? Let's go take a look at some shitcoins. and the Solana ecosystem, of course. Must differentiate. It's a tree root here. Definitely just cooling off. Vibing sideways. See people taking profits. Dips getting eaten up, and things are just... This is such a weird thing. This same wallet keeps buying in and then dumping heavy. So like same thing that happened back here. It's the same guy. So I think it's like some kind of bot that's like volume bot that's trying to trigger it so then they can get out. But you can see they actually exited. Almost like they had a stop loss set or something, which is kind of weird. But other than that, I mean, we're in this tight range, moving sideways. And draw a little rectangle if I could find it. I mean, really, we haven't even more recently, you could say something like this. That's tight in there. And it's just kind of stuck between 28 and 30K. Kind of seems like a floor. And we came all the way down to 23 and then we shot right back up. So that's good to see. Roots just grinding sideways. We're still doing the streams. What's up, Pump Fun? Just launched a new YouTube video, the SEEKER unboxing video. Go check that out. And we're just going to keep staying rooted, doing the thing. So hopefully we break out of this range, continue to the upside here, get back to 100K. That'd be beautiful. But same with Zen. Zen's kind of in the same boat, just grinding sideways here. You know, kind of sticking around between 29 and 30K, and it's a nice buy. We do have the Zen root LP pool set up, so you can go add over. You can add that. You can add to that over on Orca. It's set up as a splash pool, so it works really well for low market cap meme coins. You pair them together and kind of earn some nice fees, so it's kind of cool. KJP still doing the same thing, consolidating sideways in this tight little triangle. Trench Kitty, I mean, that might be the end right there. Very low volume, only 7 transactions. I mean, we've seen it before. You know what happens. This is really the make or break time. Are they going to bounce back from this? So maybe they'll bounce back better than ever. I think the team's cool. They definitely got a cool YouTube channel. Very nice guys. But yeah, Trench Kitty just kind of doing its thing. And we got Fire Chicken, the one that's really, I mean, look at this. It's almost like we call it the bottom here. You know, we've been saying this for weeks. So if any of the Fire Chicken peeps are watching, you know, we said, hey, we're in this triangle and we're probably going to hold this golden pocket. And we hit the bottom of this triangle and we grind it up. And I said, hey, when we get away from this 200, we're going to go back to it. And look at that. We came exactly back to it. Exactly back to it, and then we bounced off it. So it's probably going to go retest it a couple times, kind of knock on the door, try to get above it. This is on the 1 hour time frame, so if it can get above the 200 on the 1 hour, it might snap back up there. You know, try to recover this big dip. Last time it was above it. So this will kind of grind sideways, and then what you want to see is price action get back above it, and then this will come up with it. So we'll see what happens there. Definitely shout out to Team Fire Chicken. And of course we got dgen.fyi, and oh man, look at that. Oh man. That's tight. It's still hitting the top of this line. This is the 4 hour chart. And it's still tagging the top of this triangle. It's gonna go test it again. Like how it's a make or break moment for dgen. I kind of want to buy some. Like that's nuts. That's definitely a very interesting spot. It's been here in this pattern for so long, since launch. You know, and if it can break out of this pattern in a positive, you know, to the upside, it would make an new all-time high if it's that triangle. But we'll see. And Cat getting back up there. Damn, look at that. I missed that one. So this is the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. But geez, big buy there in this triangle, and that's what happens once you hit these. You kind of dip out, and then it's like a springboard. You kind of use it like a spring. So you go dive, and then boom. That's exactly what happened with Zencat there. That's awesome. Soul's in, just grinding sideways, very low volume on the weekend. Open my drink here. Let's take a look at the big charts. I might keep it short tonight. I did that video earlier. I'm starting to lose my voice. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, look at that. I mean, damn, we drew that. We drew that thinking, okay, we got to hold above this, and it fell immediately below it. So this is the daily, and now we're spanking off it. That sucks. That is not a good sign on the daily. Let's zoom in here to the 4 hour, see if we're moving at all. And it's starting to look up there. If I was going to leverage, this is kind of an interesting long right here. You could kind of take this up. You have this convergence on the 200 with this line right here. I'm sure it'll get back up there. But the long term, is it just going to bounce off and reject and make another low? So it might also be a good spot to open a short up here. So you'll want to watch for that. Take the quick scalp up and then drop in the short. And that's Bitcoin holding the 110. As long as it's above 110, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. That's awesome. If it loses 100K again, that's going to be tricky. That'll be tricky. But yeah, we'll watch that. Ethereum, same type of thing in that 4,000 level. But you see, it's hitting that 200. We keep talking about this 200 EMA. One of my favorites. So it's tagging that 200, bouncing right off it. And that's what you wanted to see. Once you get so far away, like this is, you see how far away this is from the 200. You know it's got to come back. And that's exactly what it did. It just came back and started tagging the 200. You can open a long, and as long as it holds it, it'll bounce. If it falls below, that's short territory. If you see a candle close below it, you kind of know it's gonna. But Ethereum looking bullish here on the 4 hour, bouncing off of the 200 EMA. It's a good sign. Here's Solana. Solana, nice little recovery right at 199, bouncing up to 202. But I mean, you can kind of extend this pattern here. We've got this, that's more of like a channel. I mean, really, you could come swing this guy around. So now you kind of have these 3 different levels to work with. And you can see, if it is it gonna, you can use these and kind of this be your guidance. If it falls through, then you can kind of short it down to this level, because that's exactly what happened back here. Even though it's a different price range, it's still following those resistance lines pretty closely. That's interesting. Or it's gonna break out. Just bang. We'll see. Solana, same kind of thing with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin levels 110, Ethereum 4,000. As long as Solana is above 200, man, it's hard for me to say it's not bullish. As long as it keeps closing these levels above $200, that's extremely bullish for Solana. Altcoin's getting a nice little bounce tonight, low volume on a Saturday night. See Ondo, XRP, they all look exactly the same. They're just following the big 3. But yeah, that's really all we got going on. My throat's really starting to bother me. I just might cut this off after a short 15-minute session. How long have you been going on YouTube? I might be getting sick or something. Don't really have anything to talk about. Nobody's really online Saturday night at this time. Might just go vibe code, play with the Solana phone, see what we could do. But man, I could feel it. Yeah, we've been going for about 15 minutes. Yeah, well, why don't we call it? We'll wrap it up short. Not too much going on, so hope you guys all have a good Saturday evening. I might hop into Twitter Space, chill out for a bit, but I really just want to go play with this phone and play with some AI stuff. So, definitely go check out the unboxing video. We will be back tomorrow, Sunday, for some chill vibes, chill time. But until then, I appreciate you guys coming out,